SwitchBot Lock Ultra. Today I will show you how you can replace the backup battery. I'm getting a warning. We can see the main battery is near fully charged and the back battery I need to replace it. To do that, just remove this cover. In the past I have made a video for this Lock Ultra, you can check after the end of this video, right in the corner, the full review. Just pull this orange lever and you can remove the main battery, that you can charge it via the Type-C. I like that. We can use the Lock Ultra with the backup battery, but we can see we are getting a warning. I need to replace it. It's trying to lock and unlock, but it doesn't have enough power. So to replace it, I need to remove this screw here. And there it is. Inside we have the backup battery. CR123A 3 volts is not a rechargeable battery, so you need to replace it with a new and insert again the screw. Don't use this battery without the main battery. Use it only on an emergency when you don't have enough power at the main battery. Now it's locked. And unlock. Backup battery, now it is full. That was so easy. Thanks for watching. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, because more videos are coming in the future. Stay tuned.